All right. All right. Let me see. Properties, everything looking good. I might increase a little bit of the music. I'm put it at 0.4. Let me know if that's good or not. I increased it by 10%. All right. Anyways, guys, welcome to another stream here today. Welcome. Let me just remove stuff I don't need anymore over here. I don't need you, and I don't need you. Cool. All right then, guys. So welcome to another stream here today. Or if you're watching this in the future, welcome to another video. I hope you guys have been doing great and wonderful on this day. Gonna continue working on just bug hunting today, as usual. Let's see if there's anything I can find. There is that bug that I found in the last stream on Monday that I haven't even looked at it since then at all. So maybe I can try and looking at it today. I might have something. Sorry, I got something in my eyes, man. All right. Excuse me. All right, so let's get started, shall we? I may have something that I can do, but I haven't tried it yet. So, all right. Maybe we can do some tweaking on these clouds a little bit, but they're looking great so far. Those cloud shadows. Woo! All right. So we have this issue that's, for whatever reason, it's not happening here. You know, we can try it real quick. Or there's a collision for whatever reason, even though I chopped down the tree. But the collision kind of like stays. Oops, and I don't know what the hell's going on here. All right. It only I believe it only happens to the small ones, the small trees. If I can test it here, that would be great. Oh, there we go. Got it. So it doesn't happen all the time. Sadly, I don't think I can check to see. Maybe I can? I don't think I can. I just wanted to see the actual child of it, but where is my chunk trees, environments? Yeah, it's gone. The tree is gone back to the pool, and the pool has a whole bunch of those trees, so I don't know which one it is. It might be the last one though. Let's check it real quick. Where's my pool manager? It's all the way out here. It might be all the way at the bottom. No, it's not at the bottom, sadly. Boo. Oh no. Too much stuff in there. You know one thing I can do? Oh, hold on. Oops. Yeah, it's kind of slow. Alright, hold on. Come on. There we go. Let me go to the pool manager. There's an item that I'm not using anymore, and I'm just gonna delete that. Let's go into my scenes and go to my pool manager. And there's this one here. I don't need this one. This is what I was using for the trees, like I mentioned before. So when the player is actually nearby the area 2D, it will switch the tree to be an alternative tile, but the trees are not in the tiles anymore, so I don't need this anymore. So I'm gonna be deleting that. Everything else is fine, I think. The particles, footstep, the trees. Alright, that's fine. Alright, so that's one thing I wanted to do. Let's save that bad boy. Alright, so let's figure out why this is causing this. Let's put more of these trees around and maybe we can figure it out. Let's go to my chunk tile map. We can drop these trees all around. There we go. So let's duplicate this and let's move it plus 32 to the side. There we go. I can duplicate this again. Instead on the other way, we can put it on top, minus 32. And do the same for the other one, actually. I should be able to get it at least if I hit it 4 more times. Cool. So I'll do that. And hopefully I'm able to grab that and check what's going on. So let's go into the actual tree here. And I would like to add a script in here and see if it's actually, I don't know if it's still gonna do anything, but I would like to try it out anyway. What will I name this tree, this thing as? Let's go back. I'm in scenes. I don't need to be in scenes, I need to be in scripts. I'm gonna create a new folder. Probably collisions or whatever. I don't know. And name it, what would be a good name for this? What is it? Collision polygon 2D. I'm gonna abbreviate it as CP, collision polygon 2D. I guess you could call it. I'm gonna just put a custom. I have no good name for this, but this is what I'm gonna name it. And we'll open it, and this is where I'm gonna be creating it. So there's a few things I would like to see in here, because I want to see what's going on. If hopefully, I highly doubt it will go in the process when it's not visible, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's see what happens. What can be a good thing here? I don't want to print something all the time. So I'm gonna check visible equals false, or just not visible. Kind of dumb, but I feel like I'm gonna get blasted with a lot of no, that should be fine. Error log, because I'm only doing it to this tree right now. I should attach it to the one that's outside actually, because all my pool managers will have this, and I don't want all my pool managers to have this script, so I'm gonna go and add it to the testing one instead. But hold on. I am visible, or I am updating, even though not visible. Other thing I would like to do, what is this? Attach script at the beginning? What is this? Interesting. How? I wanted signals, that's what I wanted. Which should I be doing it with? I want to get the when something collides with it. I think I should be doing this for the collision, right? I don't see anything here. I don't see any color body entered or collided with here. Oh no, that's what I wanted to do to begin with. Replaced by retrieve canvas item. Mouse shape entered. Well, never mind. Why doesn't this have any collision enter stuff in here? Actually, this, I don't know, this axe one probably should be an area. I'm confused. Hold on. There's no signal. Shall enter tree. No, it's not that. Like this area to these, they have area entered on it. Hold on, let's look that up. Let's go with say Godot static body 2D detect collision PD script or something. Let's look at the doc for this. And there's not much stuff in here. Yeah, but this is not an area to D. It's weird that a static body doesn't have one, something like that. Very interesting. I'm not doing area to D at all right now. Do, do, do. Mute my phone. Yeah, let's see what's going on. What's going on? Okay, body enter. Oh, doesn't have built-in body enter signal because they are designed to be static, which I understand, but it should still be able to have a function that determines if something collided with it, right? It's like area 2Ds, you know, be able to detect when something entered it or not. By using an area 2D as a shroud, or by using it as kinematic. I wouldn't that defeat the purpose of this? Yeah, but my trees don't move. They're not supposed to move. Interesting. Move and collide. You can grab the collision from my character to the E by doing move and collide? Interesting. That's probably a good way of doing it. If no, that's so dumb, I think. Because then you gotta determine if it's a tree. I don't know. Interesting. Not the direction that I thought I wanted to go with. Well, that kind of messes up what I wanted it to do then. I still want to see if it actually triggers anything, even if it's not visible. I believe it shouldn't though, visible. Any of that stuff doesn't work when... We'll see what happens. We'll try it out anyway. Cat Hugger, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Alright, let's remove this. We'll add it to the scene for one of these trees, for these trees over here. I know it's not gonna work, but I'm just gonna try it anyway. I already have a script on it. Yeah, that sucks. I forgot that I can't go in it. I guess I'll just add it in. We'll see what happens. Let's go in it and let's test it out. I highly doubt that nothing is going to print out. Alright. This game looks good. Thank you. Thank you so much, Cat Hugger. I still have a lot of work when it comes to the actual visuals of it, but thank you so much. Let's try that out real quick. Shop down this tree. Yeah, it's not gonna show. Let me see if it shows up in here. Let's see if it pops up here at all. Yeah, I didn't think it would. Let me just look at my command console here. I don't see any logs from that, but sometimes it doesn't happen all the time, so I'm just chop down these other trees in here. A fellow Godot user, I also use Godot. Nice! How long have you been using Godot? I'm trying to make it integrate. Nice, that's cool. Yeah, still, I don't see any logs from it. I didn't expect it. Let's just continue. This guy just found me, so which is great. There it is. Okay, no logs in that. Okay. Yeah, no logs. I didn't expect it to. Wait, hold on. Yes, this one's colliding. So, but I'm not getting logs anywhere from it. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, the other ones didn't get anything. Somewhere around here, but this one did. It's being strange that I'm not. It doesn't happen all the time. Trying to think the solution for this thing. Let's try doing the area 2D like they said. Let's see if it still works. So let's add an area 2D here. Area 2D. Put that as a child of this. Monitoring, all that stuff is there. Wait, but this needs something though. Yeah, this needs a collider. Ay, 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 ay. I don't need area. I just need. Trying to see what else can I use. It's so dumb that collision sheets doesn't have that. I'm disappointed about that. I'm wondering. Let me see my player real quick. Do I do anything with player? I was thinking maybe I still can extract it somehow. Yeah, because the only thing it has is just a but I am a character body, so maybe I'm still able to detect collisions. If something entered it. Character 2D. Yeah, I didn't think about it. There's nothing I can use. Yeah, I was hoping the player had some type of collision signal when it enters it, but doesn't have it either. Another thing I can do is probably doing a raycast that is always in front of the player or something. And if he detects a collision that technically that should be turned off, he turns it off. Interesting. Trying to think about a good solution for that. I'll probably have to come back for that bug. I mean, I got time to implement it. Let's see. I'm trying. See, your video seems a lot underrated. Doggo needs to. Hey, I wish. I wish that's true. The YouTube algorithm is crazy sometimes. At least I always have bad luck with it. But hopefully, maybe one day the YouTube algorithm will be on my side. Have you released a game before? Yeah, I have experience releasing games before. But yeah, all right. So let's try doing a collision check. Problem is that I can't use process or any of those functions because I'm using it in a C++. So I might have to add that in the C++ side and see what's up. I'm not gonna update Visual Studio right now. Alright, so let's go to my player class and we'll do some raycast. Let's see how that works. We'll try it out. This is what the stream is about, trying stuff out. Let's include where do I have this at? I think it's utils. You should make how much I earn videos for the games. Yeah, I can make that once I have like a good game to show. Like most of my games that I released before is with companies that I worked before actually, so it's not really my games. I can't really show that. But when I do release a game and it does have like money or whatever that I made, yeah, for sure I can make a video for that. I released my own games before, but they don't get that much traction because I haven't made any marketing or anything for that. So I don't expect it to blow up at all. Physics. I think I have to add physics in here. Physics. You release games on Steam, right? For the companies that I worked at, I release games on Steam, sometimes on the Meta Facebook games, whatever that's called now. And I release mobile games for iOS and Android. That's for my own games that I released. I only have one out there so far. All right, so let's go into the update function. I think I passed it. There we go. I'll just put it down here. We can create our own function later if it works. Let's see what I need to add in here. Physics. I could do a sphere collision, huh? Rather than a raycast. Nah, let's do a raycast. Check ray collision. We get the world. Don't have engine here. I do. We can get the world 2D out of it. We need a from, which is from a player. Let's see. Get global. And then to position. I can do get global position again plus the face direction times, let's do 15 on it. Collision mask. Have access collision layers. Let's do level. And then the raycast info in here. Let's see what I get. Array info. I'll pass it in at the end of that function. And it's a boolean, so if this returns true, this statement, then I should have some stuff happening here. Let's see, error log. Let's do rate info. And put a collider node on it. Let's see what's happening here. Cast this. Your game might not blow up, but I do hope you get some dough out of it, bro. I hope so. Once this game that I'm working on right now gets in a good place, I'll definitely gonna start putting it out there. But right now, I still need a lot of art updates on it, and be able to start like working on a demo for it, and then I can start like putting it out there, which is also the reasons why I'm doing this stream as well, for something maybe not only just for you guys to learn something as I'm working on this, or maybe you guys giving me feedback, but it's also for this to put myself out there. Hopefully something like that. And how do we add in-app purchases and also ads in Android and iOS? For in-app purchases, you should be able to add those items within, I believe it's on the developer website for that app. You're able to add the individual items, and then it's either that or just a plugin. Actually, you're using Godot, right? I was thinking Unity. Unity makes it so easy. I wonder if there's a plugin that you can connect your they can connect to the store, like because in Unity is so much easy and very easy, because you just have to download a plugin, and all you have to do, you can add the in-app purchases items in that plugin, and it does all the work for you. I don't know how it works in Godot, because I haven't done that before. This is the first time I'm working on Godot, so I have no experience in it. Wondering if they do. Let me see. Godot in-app purchases. I mean, they have this in here. I don't know that much about it. If you go to Google Docs for Android in-app purchases, there's some stuff in here about payments and other stuff. And when you're purchasing items and all of that stuff in here. It's probably a good read if you haven't read it yet. In the Godot docs. So I just searched Google Godot in-app purchases, and this is the first one that popped up. Yeah, it wasn't uni that I could be like, yeah, you could do this and that, but I never done it in Godot before. Alright, so I did this. Let's build it. And let's see if I can trigger this collision. Let's build it to dev. Yeah, most likely you'll probably find some on YouTube. YouTube has a lot of stuff. It'd be kind of weird. Not kind of rare if they didn't have anything for it. Alright, let's test this bad boy. Let's go in here. Let's remove this. I don't need you. And I don't need this script anymore. I had goals with you, but it didn't work out as I wanted to. So, all right, let's run. Let's go to the testing and let's run that testing and let's try it out again. Let's pick up my pickaxe and start chopping down this tree, shall we? Oh, hello. We're getting a whole bunch of stuff then, which means it's working. Okay, I can still walk in there, sadly. I can still walk in there. I can still walk in here. Oh, there we go. Woo! It detects it. Let's go. All right. So it is detecting, which is exactly what I wanted to do. This is a little hack that I'm doing here. All right. So this is a Godot node 2D. What can I do in here? I don't know if it will work out for other ones in here or not. Let's see if it triggers if it's visible or not. When it's not visible, let's see if it triggers. If it triggers, then there we go. We got something. It's a little hacky, but I don't like it. It is what it is. Sam, welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing great. Welcome. All right, so build already, and let's see if I still get it when it's off. Let's run it. Alright, so let's try that again. Let's see if we get it. Alright, the collision's gone. Let's try this. Oops. There we go. Okay. Alright, All right, so it's not visible. So it is visible, but okay. So if this is a tree, I'm probably gonna need to get the owner, which gives me this option. If you're active, but your parent is not, some type of something like that I need to do, right? So let's get the owner of this. Hopefully, Godot. I need a 2D version of you. Owner node equals cast to Godot node 2D and cast this get owner. Okay. So what I'd like to do is, if the owner is not visible, equals false, but I am invisible, I guess I could say, or I might need to convert this. $17.50 errors. No, I just usually like putting error logs when I test, because I prefer testing with error logs rather than regular logs, because the error logs are red. So that is on purpose. That is on purpose. I use error logs instead of regular logs when I'm testing for stuff right now. Okay, so if my owner node is not visible, I don't think I need to detect anything. If it's not visible, then it should be off. Okay. How do I get the collider out of this? So I have this static body, but I want to get this. I don't know if I want to cast it for that much. Let's see. I don't really like casting too much, which is why I don't want to do it. But I guess I gotta. Polygon. I need to add that header file. I'll keep that together with the bottom ones instead. Godot classes collision polygon 2D. The pointer poly equals array cast this. I'll cast it. Yeah, my 40K errors are also on purpose, surely. Hey, that's how it is, you know. That's how it is sometimes. Get child of the first child of that. And if for whatever reason, one, I gotta check to see if it actually is something in it, and then check to see, why don't I get I need this function. I don't know why it doesn't have IntelliSense right now. If it is disabled, not disabled, then it should trigger this. Oh, you know why I didn't get IntelliSense? Because it's colon at the end. Okay, so if I colliding with this collision, the owner is not visible anymore, but the collision itself is not disabled, and it should print out this bug here, which is what I'm getting right now. I believe that's the correct flow. Shame Godot won't let me print more than 10k messages a second. Yeah, how dare they, huh? They gotta add threading to those messages so they can print a lot more. Should be a plugin. All right. Terabyte text file. I feel like a terabyte is not enough nowadays. Alright, so let's see. Okay, there we go. I got it. Now it's printing like crazy. Woo! Alright. So what I gotta do in this sense, I gotta disable this collision even though I don't know why it's active. Let's go, it's going up. It's going up. I got 1600 now. Alright. So I got those error logs, so I found the solution for what I'm getting here. So if this is the case, I would like to leave the error log just to make sure it works, and then I should never ever get it again once I disable this collision. I'm gonna call it deferred on it. No, set deferred, my bad. Set deferred, disable, and set that to true. I don't know why it doesn't do it all the time, but I'm gonna leave the error log just so I can see it. And then once it works, I'll remove it. Alright, so it's done building. Did it actually build? It did not build. I don't even know if I did it. Usually Godot shugs a little bit when it's trying to reload it. Yeah, I did build it. Interesting. Alright, well, I guess I did build it. Alright, so let's run the scene. Oh no, it's still here. Boo, it didn't do it. Why is it still active? But I found it, but it still is active. Interesting. Why is it so? Is there another collision that I need to take care of? Did I set this correctly? Set deferred. Set it to true. Is something turning it off? You know what? Let's just set it. Set disabled, I guess. Maybe because the parent is not visible and doesn't update it correctly. I'm assuming the set deferred doesn't work on it because it's not visible. That's my thought on it. Let me see. So let me set it automatically and maybe that will work. Yeah, this doesn't shug anymore. Maybe that's why? Did something break? And don't know why this doesn't. Let me reload my project. Hold on, let's run it real quick. Oops. It's a hidden door there. Okay, so this doesn't work automatically. Let me keep. Oh, there we go. Wait. Okay, and it was here for a second and disappeared. Yeah, there it is. But that did work. Cool. It was there for a second and disappeared. It did it. Oh, this one did it too here. Look at that. Sweet. And this one as well. Look at that. Interesting. Okay, so it did work. Cool. I just don't know why it does that, because when I chop down the trees and right before I removed the tree and added to my pool, it disables the collisions, but sometimes it doesn't do it. And now I have to do this hacky way of doing it by doing a raycast and detecting any nodes that are not visible, but it has a polygon 2D that is not disabled. And then I have to manually disable them this way. There's got to be a reason why this is happening. I'm wondering. I mean, it happens. It doesn't happen all the time. Right, so my pool manager calls these, right? On spawn and on despawn, and it automatically disables them. But I am just setting a deferred on it. You know, I may be thinking of something right now. So when it calls those, it calls them right away. Maybe because I'm setting it automatically as false. What if I add a defer call on these instead? Make these deferred. Set deferred. And set visible instead of the false. And by doing so, maybe it will work. Because I don't like this hacky way. If I can't find a way to make it work, then I guess I have to. At least I got something here though. I'll just comment that off and let's test that out. Deferred, and maybe that will work. Alright, so it's done building. Okay, so now yeah, actually chugged a little bit and now I can move. Weird. Alright, so let's get in here again. Let's see if we can get it working. I keep forgetting there's a freaking door here. I don't know why there's a door down here. I never put anything there. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so far so good. Okay. Oh no, there we go. That did not work. Boo. Oh, okay. I guess that's weird. It doesn't happen all the time. So there's a collider here when it shouldn't be. You were looking so good for a while there. I guess I'm gonna have to add the hacky way. Kinda sucks though, but okay, well, until I can find a better way of doing it, I guess I might just keep what I did earlier. Until I can find a better way for that. Cool. So I'll just keep it here. I'm just gonna say hacky way. Oh, disabling colliders when owner is not visible anymore. Find a better solution. Alright, that's what I'm gonna say for right now. I'm gonna say to do here. Alright. For the time being. Yeah, if it works, it works, right? Yeah, I just don't like it because it's hacky, but whatever. I don't know why collision doesn't disable when it should. But it is what it is. The raycast is not too expensive though, so it should be fine, I think. Cool. So I'll leave that there. Cool. Alright. Another thing I would like to actually tweak a little bit is probably the clouds that I have in here. I'm still debating if I want the shadows or not. Because if I leave it not to be shadows and make it cloudy, like the clouds are on top, I don't know if that looks better or not, or looks cool. Either to have the clouds in here or have it as shadows instead. Still want to tweak the patterns a little bit. I think shadows will probably be the best way. Yeah, I'm waiting for this cloud to go on top of the plate. Actually, I can move it this way. I mean, yeah, I guess so. Maybe shadows will probably be the best solution here. I would like to find a way better pattern than the one that I have right now. If anything. If I can mess around with it. Oh, you could get smaller clouds here. That's probably too much though. Wondering if maybe bigger. No. Maybe like this way will probably be a little better. This makes it, let me see. It's a little more pixely. What if it's 1? I guess it gets more smoother. I keep it at 5 though. I think that's fine. Ooh. gives all this like, and that's actually pretty cool. I think it's more grainy and more, I guess, smoother, I guess. Actually, I like how it looks already. Makes it a little more like pixelated. Alright, let's make this go back to the, make it a shadow. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, this looks fine, I think. Alright, let's get into that. Let's get into the game. Or the testing. Let's do some bug hunting, I guess. Pick up some of this stuff in here. Yeah, this is what I gotta work on a little bit. The clouds is going this direction, right? And the clouds gets faster when I move this direction. Maybe there was something else out of here. Maybe the when I'm multiplying by, maybe I'm multiplying too fast on it. Yeah, it still kind of moves kind of fast. Requires a little bit more tweaking there. Alright, let's pick up all this stuff again. The next things I would like to work on is, I'm probably gonna fix this off screen. I need to figure out a good solution for this scrolling of the clouds right now. I don't really like it, but I do like it overall, the way it looks. Just when it follows the player, it's still a problema right now. Alright, so let's go my configuration. Let's configure my rod in here. Let's get the line in the correct place, reel, and a fishing bait on it. And woo. Alright. A largemouth bass. Release it back into the wild. Oh, I got the big boy. I don't think I'm getting this one. Yep. Ooh, barely made that. Another largemouth. Let's see what these tiny ones are. A perch. Smallmouth. 21 pounds. Gotta get those values in a better place. Come on, buddy. What are you? Another perch? Oh, that's too far now. The big boy went away, yeah. I don't have the skill to get him. Let me see if I can get this big one over here. I'm gonna try and get it this time. Maybe. Oof. I still need to work on how these big fishes work right now. Oh, I got him. I think. There we go. Woo! We got a 40-pounder over here. A striped bass. Alright, let's release this bad boy back into the pond. And so far so good. There's still some minor tweaks I need to do for fishing. And maybe I can do that in the next stream. Or I don't know, maybe if I have time today. The problem is that when the fish get interested and then I start moving it, some automatically jump into the bait. And what I wanted to do is for the fish to go to the bait first. And once it gets nearby it attaches itself. Rather than automatically getting attached after they hit the threshold. So some finer like tweaks like that, like polishing that I need to do. But so far it's looking good. And also for just some fishes that go under the water. I don't know if that looks good, or maybe you can think of it as just caves or whatever. I don't know. Like this one just disappeared under right now. And probably add some bounds for the fishes. Get some polishing on it. But so far it's looking good. We kind of be able to catch some fish in here. If you walk nearby them, they get scared off. They run away, or fish away, or swim away, I should say. Cool. That was looking fine to me. I did some. Where did these guys go? Oh, your guys are all the way up here. Like this needs a little bit more polishing. They increase the bounce on the attack. And some of those should have landed. And then you get the big sword in here. And attack this big boy over here. Yeah, everything's looking good right now. So it's just finer polishing I need to do for some of these stuff, but break rocks. Let's try to farm. Let's get a melon in here. Do I have room for this? Let's just drop some of this stuff. Let's drop the fishing rod since I don't need it right now. That should be enough to get the other stuff that I have in here. Let's get the seed. Let's get this. And I need the watering can, which is all the way down here. Alright. Let's sort this. Let's put it on top right now. Cool. We get that. We put the seed in it. And let's water it. And let's get this melon growing. It's growing. Where are the stripes though? Like what stripes? When the player gets attacked or something? I got a melon. Oh, the fish. Yeah, right now they're all using the same icon. I need to make the art for all the different types of fish right now. The fish that you saw right there is not the fish that I'm gonna use in the end. It's just for testing purposes right now. So it has no stripes. I need to make the art for that. Cool. And I got a melon here. Got one melon. Got farming correct. Looks fine. Chopping down trees. Let's try that. Yeah, all the art that I have here is not final yet. I still need to make it. I'm getting the functionality working first, so that's my goal. Rating review bomb bots as this week. I will have it correct. Yeah, I'll have her correct soon. I promise. I think I'm in a good spot where I can start working on the art style and implementing all the stuff that I need for this game. That means all the textures for the fish that I'm gonna have. I need to add all the crops because right now I don't have melons and pineapples. So I need to create all of that stuff. And I do have a scythe, right? Is this? Nope. That's oh, there it is. I didn't see it there. Yeah, everything's looking good in here. I did everything I had to do in this little section here. I don't have any. Let's go to my inventory. I'll drop the melon in here. Sorry, boy, my boy. And let's add a torch to myself. We're interested as to why there's not enough footsteps. there we go. Got a crash. Why is there a crash in here? Let's debug it. Where did this crash happen? The player process. Ah, there we go. So that little hacky thing I did earlier. So it collided with something. Wonder what it collided with. Oh, it's a tile map. Yeah, okay. So let's make sure there is an owner here. And then build that bad boy. This is weirded out to see if I actually build or not, but whatever. So let's try to go inside the dungeon again. I'm going there with no tools. I guess you can add that torch. That's the only tool I'll have. Yeah, like the art style for dungeons, I gotta make that as well. Like this is not even gonna be final. Make it a little bit better. Oh, so no more crashes when I collide with the tile map. And I don't really like the shadows that these provide right now. I'm gonna have to turn those shadows off. Unless I can find a way to make it look better, because I don't like this different like layering on them. It doesn't look that cool. Or can I actually go to the torch right now? Let's go to the player real quick and see if we can tweak that. Go to layout and items. Got a torch over here. Anything with shadows and stuff in here? A point light. There we go. Like I can remove shadows on it if I wanted to. Where did the shadows go? It just disappeared out of nowhere. Oh, there we go. Shadow enabled there. Or I can enable it, but it looks like that and I don't like it that much. You can like tweak it a little bit here. Right, then it becomes like one blob. Like, is it? Trying to make that look a little bit better. Spooky, scary Morty's gym from HGS. Oh, is that Morty? Oh, from Pokemon, huh? Heart Gold, Soul Silver. Let's go. I don't think it's been a while since I've seen the gym of that. Let me see how it looks like. It's been a while since I've seen it. Morty. Morty's Gym. Heart, Gold, Soul, Silver. Yeah, I can see that with all the like fogginess and stuff. But yeah, I'm just debating if I want shadows in here or not. And if I do, I gotta make it look better because I don't really like this at all. I need to do a pass on the lighting of this game. But that is where it's at right now for this. Cool. I don't really have anything crazy to check out right now. Everything's looking good. Oh, is it dark? I think the one that I'm seeing right now is when it's not dark anymore. Ah, there we go. But I see this. I need a bigger picture, man. Come on. You can give me a small picture. I guess I can just show that. So everything is super dark and still only the player is visible. Yeah. It's been a while since I played Heart Gold, Soul Silver. Been too long. But this era was like my favorite era. So like first gen, second gen, and third gen were like my top favorites. And after that, I kind of like died down for me. Alright, so let's load into the game. We'll test out some stuff in the actual game, not in the test scene. Yeah, HGSS was peak. And even if I even did play HGSS, because I know I played the original, the gold version. I loved Crystal. Crystal was amazing. I know nobody can change my mind on that. And I think I did play Soul Silver when it came out, but I don't know if I ever played the... Maybe I did. It's been so long since I played this, so I don't remember. Okay. So I was just testing stuff around here. Emerald remains the best. Ooh, I don't think I ever played Emerald. I only play Sapphire. I always wanted to play Emerald though. I might have to go play Emerald though, because I always wanted to play it. And shoots Lugia over. Yeah, I always loved Lugia a lot better. Some tweaking on this stuff too. Oh, what? Looks like I was able to hit it one more time before it disappeared. Or maybe I hit this, I don't know. Weird. That was very weird for me. Oh, there's a rock in here. Yeah, I mean, everything, besides just polishing some stuff, everything's looking good right now. I do gotta fix this stuff in here as well when it's transitioning to my other scenes. We got some big fish in here. Let's okay, so it's all the way on top. Top right. I'm going to my town. Let's see what's up right now. Wait, did I pass my town already? Oh, I'm right here right now. I am right here. I'll make sure all these transitions look good right now. You don't want to talk over a busted old farm, huh? Good luck, you'll need the tools that don't snap in half first swing. Name's Runa, blah blah blah, but... Cool? I need to make updates to the interiors of all these houses as well. They all look the same. So I gotta work on art. I think that's where I'm at right now. Gotta start updating on art. And it crashed on me. Why did it crash entering this guy? Debug. I did have to do with that, did it? I don't know. Oh, this outline. Why does this outline... I might have had an outline when I was outside, and when I entered it, it got removed. Hold on. Oops, what did I do? Yeah, so I had a note that was outlined when I went outside, and then I transitioned inside, and that outline didn't get nulled out, even though it still went in here. So that is a bug I need to figure out. So when I'm transitioning, I should probably set this to null. Okay. Let's see. Do I got any places where I'm transitioning stuff? Let's cancel. Cancel. So when the trees get outlined white, I think I put my mouse over a tree at the moment that I was transitioning inside a house, and that made it crash because that tree doesn't exist anymore. It's weird because it does have a null check on it, right? It does have a check on it, but I need to set this to null. That's what I need to do. That's why it still goes through here. just fine. I need to find a function where I'm transitioning into something. Before that there we go. Perfecto. If I'm transitioning, just set this to null. I'm glad I made this function where I dispose of anything before I actually fully transition to anything else. I'm wondering if I need to set that to false though. Like all of this stuff here, hold on. Maybe this is what I need to do. This entire thing. So if I have this, and I don't care if it's visible or not. Just disable anything you need to disable and set it to null afterwards. I see, so every house is a wormhole into the same. As of right now, yes, you can say that. It's a wormhole to the same place, but just the character is just a different character. Even though it looks the same. So all the houses have the same looking character, but they're all different characters. Because I need our assets right now. Alright, so we can go back into the game, test that out once again. Let's go into game. Alright, let's load it in. Onto the test one. And then let's run up there again. Let's go to the village. Hey, I gotta fix these cloud shadows right now. Don't like that they follow like that. I maybe find a better solution for them. They look great when I'm stationary. All right, so let's see if I can get this. So that was outline. Okay, it didn't crash. Let's go. Go back outside. Let's enter the other house. Let's test that out. So I believe I was going to this one, right? And let's get a tree highlighted. Nope, no crash this time. Cool. Let's get all these footsteps. I don't know why there aren't enough footsteps at all. Even though there should be enough. I sense your arrival long before the wind whispered your name. The line has been quiet too long. Perhaps you're the one to stare at once more. Come back later, we'll have much to speak of and much to remember. Atsuki. Yeah, something's going on with the footsteps when I transition. Now I don't have enough footsteps, even though I should have enough. Interesting. There's something to look at right now. Let's enter this house. This should be... I forgot what this one's this one is. And I won't know because everything looks the same until I talk to this. Ah, this is the shopkeeper. Here we go. So I can check for everything he has for sale. I can sell anything that I have. So I can sell some of my pineapple seeds, even though you're selling them for 100. And I'm selling them back for 80. Shouldn't be fine. Then some melon seeds. And gets removed from my inventory as well, which is great. I got enough to buy more melon seeds anyways. Alright. So, never mind. I happens to give me a quest. Here's your quest, yo. And if I go to my quest, I got 2 quests in here that he gave me. And it's to harvest some grass to get hay out of it. And some trees. And some random rewards that it gives you. I need to chop down 10 trees. Alright. Let me change the music. Make it a little bit less spooky right now.
Searching for a reliable
I don't want ads right now, please. Let's go with this. This feels a little bit better. A little spooky music in the background. I should disable that right now. Okay. We got the shopkeeper out of the way. We tested it. It looks fine. Be able to sell stuff. Gave me quests. So I could have NPCs now giving me quests if I want them to. And we can come down here. Forgot what you are. I think you're the doctor. You're Woodberry. Like hold still, slightly malnourished, bags under eyes, sun exposure. Yep, you're definitely a farmer. Armira, you get sick, you come to me. That includes monster bites. Don't wait until something falls off. Alright. I just changed music, hopefully to get better, less spooky music, and now I'm back here again. With the spooky music. Come on now. Another thing I would love to have here is to put some lamp posts in here to provide some light into the town, because right now it's super dark. Kind of follows along with this music too, by the way, but still. And you're the fisherman person here. But you have no interaction. No, what happened to your interaction? Interesting. But everybody else had an interaction section, but you don't. Did I miss it? Interesting. So you don't have an interaction. An interaction section for you, huh? Let's go to the scene for him. I should have individual scenes, right? Transitions. Fisherman. And he's right there. Oh, this is my house. And nobody else has anything different. Hmm. Interesting. Why did everybody else have interaction but you don't? It's something to look at. Something to look at later on. Figure out why you didn't have an interaction space for you. He lost an interaction in 1942 in Stalingrad. Yep, he's done with interacting, you know. He's just a silent guy and doesn't do nothing. Cool. Well, I mean, we tested a lot of stuff today. There's a lot of polishing that I need to do, but most of my functionality for this game is there. The fishing is there, farming, cutting down trees, rocks, harvesting grass and all of that, attacking enemies. I need to add more enemies. I do have some enemies actually that I'm working on. Not too crazy about it, but I created this hooded enemy, which I'm not like crazy about it. I need some work on that. I was working on this last night. There's a little hog that attacks you. It looks kind of cool. I was gonna make the animations for this guy. I was working on this yesterday, and I do have a squirrel that I was working on just so I had more life into the game. I have this little cute little squirrel that does animate, but I just need to add those into the game. So I added animations for this. I need to add animations for this little hog over here. And I don't know if I want to add this guy into the game or not. I'm debating on it. Can you write the hog? Ooh, that would be interesting. That'll be interesting. Maybe you can feed him a couple of things and he gets friendly. No, that would be pretty cool. That's a cool idea. To be able to ride a hog. I'm thinking about it right now. I mean, I wasn't even thinking about it. And I was working on a little bit more of a, I think it was this one? No, it's not this one. I don't know where it went. Yeah, I don't know where it went. Oh yeah, just like this one. I was thinking of maybe like a spider as well, or some type of bug. I don't know if I wanted them or not, but it's just a thought right now. The problem with this is it's gonna suck with animations. I'm not good at animating anything, but we'll see how it works. So I got some stuff to add into the game that I need to add, and I'm just working on it. I'd love to add this one though. It's gotta add the animations for these guys and for this little hog over here, and maybe different colors of this hog as well, to have a different variety. Who needs animations? I mean, he could be sliding around, you know. You'll be sliding around, but cool. I think I'm gonna have to call it right now though, guys. I gotta prepare for work. I got 10 more minutes though, but I think I'm gonna call it because I gotta get back to work. But just add a trail and have the PNG slide around. Who's gonna notice? Oh jeez, I wish it was that easy. All right, cool. Yeah, this is giving you guys a little. Here's a sneak peek on the characters right now that I'm trying to add. But yeah, I'm gonna call it right now though. I gotta get back to work in a couple minutes. But yeah, thank you guys for joining on the stream. Hope you guys have a great day or a wonderful night, depending on your time. And thank you guys for being here. Thank you, Sam, for being on the stream. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day, guys. Have a great day.